This can begin. Oh yeah. This can begin. This can begin. You could be my punk rock princess. I could be your garage band king. Tell me why you just don't fit in. I could be your something. The video is on. We're here. Hello. Hi, everybody. I'm Dave. Beauty by Dave says hello. I got a new thing. I wrote it down. My name's Dave. They used to call me the Brave, but I'm not. I'm just like you. Welcome to Beauty by Dave. This is another video. This video is, honestly, it's a tribute. We're doing a tribute video. This is in tribute to Matisse Swan. I mean, he's the male beauty guru right now. I mean, he's a god. I mean, look at the guy. It's MATISSWANN. He's doing incredible male beauty videos. And, I mean, he's like the top of the line. He's doing really good. I mean, he's a model. He's in the business and blah, blah, blah. I don't need to tell anything about his story. I don't know anything about his story. This is not about him at all. Hello. But, you know, we're doing this male beauty stuff, and there's not that many of us out there. You know, love you, Robert Welsh out there. Obviously, Manny, MUA. And now I'm just shouting out my favorites. But that's why I'm here, because of all of those people, you know. Anyway, my name's Dave. By the way, I've got my own company. It's called Dave's Nuts. Let's look at those. Look at those. Wow, that looks pretty cool. We got a ruby chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, blonde chocolate. Go to www.davesnuts.com. It's DAVESNUTTZ.com. That's DAVESNUTTZ.com. You can also find me on TikTok at DAVESNUTTZ. Today, I'm just inspired to do another video. I haven't been doing videos lately. But as I said, I'm inspired by Mr. Matisse Swan to get back into it. I have a product that I am just absolutely in love with. I've been doing this product every single day. Check this one out. Okay, we're going to get it. Oh, look at that. That's really cool looking. It's the Versace Brightening Eye Gel. Weekend Glow. I put this on every single day. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. All right? It's a really nice product. Here. It's got a roller ball. I'm a sucker for a roller ball when it comes to the application of lotion products, okay? Here's what you do. You give it just a tiny little pump. Let's see if we can actually catch this, okay? If you give it a tiny little pump. All right, we're going to try this. All right, there we go. Catch it, catch it. Boom, catch it, come on. Oh, man. Well, if you give it a little pump, boom, some product comes out. I know you saw that. Yes. And then you got product on the roller ball. Okay? Look at that. You can see it. Well, yeah, you can see that there. And then you go right under the eye. Okay? And you just go like until you go right under the eye, and it feels so nice. And you can go right up under the eye. And the roller ball, it just fits right on your eye. Oh, and it actually feels nice. I've heard the makeup girlies talking about all these different products where they're like, oh, they got these metal applicators and you put them on your eye and it actually feels really nice. And I've tried it a lot of times and I've been like, it don't feel that nice. It don't really feel that nice. I don't know what to tell you. But this product, it feels so nice. And I've been wearing this product almost every single day for like probably 2 months now. 2 months, baby. I've used a lot of eye products because I got like dark under eyes. They are fucked up. I mean, it looks like I just got beat up. It's like, what happened to you? Oh my god, you got fucked up last night. It's like, no, they're just there. I've had a lot of stress. I've been through a lot. Okay. So I got super dark under eyes. And this product, it feels really nice, and it has never burnt my eyes. I've had a lot of products on my face, and 97% of them burn the fuck out of my eyes. Excuse my French. They burn my eyes, and I put this stuff on. It's one of my favorite products. I'm gonna be real honest. I really like Versed. It's basically Merit. It's the same person as Merit. Versed is where it's at. Okay, it's my favorite product. I guess that's the point of this video. I'm doing like my top 5 favorite products. This is not it. Don't look at this. Anyway, the second product that I put on every single day, because this is about boy beauty. I'm beginner boy beauty. You know, I'm new to this. You know, we're trying to figure this stuff out. Love this eye cream. It feels lovely every day, and honestly, I think it's actually had an effect on my under eye. And I think it's less dark than it used to be, which is which is a lot for me. I really appreciate it. The second thing that I do every day is toner, okay? We're going to feature today. Check this out, okay? Oh, that looks so cool. This is the Beauty of Josiah, Beauty by Josiah, Beauty of Joseon. I don't know what the fuck you call it, okay? It's the super hot Korean beauty brand of some kind. You can see there's a good chunk missing, okay? This is a huge ass bottle. This is the biggest bottle of toner I've ever seen. This is the Glow Replenishing Rice Milk Toner. This one is the super viral one, okay? Look at this milk down here, okay? Boom! Oh! Boom, 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 boom! That's Beginner Boy Beauty. That is sickening. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh my gosh. When a lot of times I get out of the shower, my face, it's just all red, okay? There's red everywhere. I just like to take this milky toner. I like putting this milky toner. I use probably more than I'm supposed to. I just put a lot, okay? Oops, everywhere. And then I do that, and then boom! Oh my god, I just slather my face. Ah, it doesn't really smell like anything. And I really like, if I'm gonna put something on my face, like I want it to smell luxe, okay? I want it to smell luxurious, alright? Which brings me, honestly, to the runner-up of the show today is going to be the Glow Recipe Watermelon Toner. I freaking love the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. I freaking love it. There's just one problem. I mean, honestly, this is a huge bottle. This is full size. You can see how much is missing. I really love it. It honestly, if I use that toner 6 hours into the day, by the end of the day, my entire forehead is going to be an absolute oil slick. It brings out the oil. I'm a combo, I guess. I'm an oily girly. What can you say? And I love the watermelon glow on my face. I really do. But it brings out the oil. It does. And I don't quite get that as much from the Beauty by Josiah. I do like the Beauty by Josiah. If I'm feeling really red, I like to use that because it's the milk toner, and I feel like that, for some reason, makes the redness somehow go away in some type of way. I have no idea if it does that or not, but it makes me feel that way. Which, that's 97% of beauty, is it makes us feel better. Wink. Okay, so we've got a tie here for second place. We've got the Beauty by Josiah, which I love, which I really enjoy, but I clearly, honestly, love even more this fresh kombucha facial treatment essence. This one's an essence. It's like a toner or whatever, but it's got an extreme rose smell. So some days I wake up and I'm like, I need that fucking rose shit on my face right now. I want to feel it. I want to feel the rose. I want to feel the girly. I want to feel it all. Work. And some days I'm like, I just want to get this redness on my face, so I go with the Josiah. And if I'm really into it and I need that watermelon, I go with the Glow recipe. But I really enjoy a toner. Start with a toner, start with an essence. It's not that hard. It's lovely. It's wonderful. Okay. Product number, that's, I guess, 2 and 3. There you go. Product number 4 is going to be this. This is super male beauty. Super boy beauty. This is Versace, baby. This is Versace Eros Energy. Oh. I hope you can see that spray. Because it's in my face and in my mouth. And I hope you could see it. But this is the Eros Energy from Versace. It's delicious. I got the Sephora. They have basically this bag that you can get that has like a dozen small samples of cologne. But then you get a full-size cologne. And I tried all these colognes. I still have like 10 of them left over. And some of them are good. Some of them are not that great. But I found this Eros Energy from Versace. And it's just really, really lovely. It's super manly. It's super duper summer. Very refreshing. It's got some citrus in there. But it's deep. And like, I put this energy, this Eros energy on, and I'm like, let's go fuck up this day. You know, let's get it done. Let's do it, you know. Woo! Anyway, I cannot stop talking about this product. This is my favorite product, I think, of almost any makeup product I've ever come across. Any beauty product. This is a really, really significant product. I don't know what exactly it is, but people need to really get into this. This is the Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder. I've chosen the shade Almond, which is a lot darker than what is recommended for me. I use it as the last thing that I do, whatever I'm doing. Sometimes I put foundation on my face. Sometimes I do concealer. I like to put a little blush on sometimes. Sometimes I don't like to put anything on. But one of the things that I really like to do is finish off with this powder. And it is just a really significant finishing powder. It really, no matter what you do, when you end with this, it's going to go to town on it. And it just, it brings everything together, honestly. It looks like almost like nothing, but it really helps to lock in a lot of the oil that comes throughout the day. If I put any type of product on before, any type of cream, it really locks that in. I also like to use the one size translucent setting powder, and that gives me that nice white cast, and it really brings everything, back to a muted color. And this Rare Beauty finishing powder, it just gives that skin-like color back into my face in the most subtle way. and I've just loved it. This is the first product I think I've almost ever got. As you can see, this is brand new. I just opened this very recently, and I've basically never bought a product twice. But this is my second one because I use it every single day. This is Beginner Boy Beauty. Check this out. It's the tinted pressed. If I can help out one dude who wants to look a little bit better, this makes my channel worth it. It's the tinted pressed finishing powder. You can get it at Sephora. Go check it out. No matter what you're doing, if you use a bunch of lotions, do stuff, use this powder. It's great. Again, you just kind of like, you just rub your little brush in there. This is a nice big fat powder brush, and you just kind of press it on. You stipple. This is called a stipple. You just kind of hit your face over and over, okay? Just do a nice little stipple all over the face. You're good to go. You'll see a big difference throughout the day. Oh my gosh. Again, go check out davesnuts.com. I got Dave's Nuts. They're chocolate-covered hazelnuts, in case I didn't mention that. They're chocolate-covered hazelnuts. They're delicious. I got apparel. I got all kinds of stuff. By the way, this is an Isaac Mizrahi t-shirt. Isaac Mizrahi makes really, really nice t-shirts. They're super comfortable. This one's just like a Pima cotton. And it feels so nice. I have like 3 of them. There's a bunch of them at TJ Maxx. Don't tell anybody. But they're lovely. They feel so good. I got my 3rd one. I don't need to buy any t-shirts, but I was like, I just really want to get that Isaac Mizrahi t-shirt because they're so comfortable. Ugh. Anyway, cheers to boy beauty out there, male beauty. My name's Dave. I do Beginner Boy Beauty. And, have a great day. We'll see you on the flip. Bye-bye. I woke up in a car, sitting around the side that I knew, and I said, as I may.